Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can bring an image forward over an overlapping image. So, as you can see here, you can see overlapping images. So what you're going to do, so if you want to move this image forward, right click on that picture, search for this word, arrange, and you can see options here. So if you want to bring it forward, just click move forward. Okay, and it will automatically be moved forward. Okay, and if you would like to bring that behind another picture, so you just got to move that backward. Okay, so I hope this video helps. So click like if you do, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.